Save the animals, save the earth. How much will it cost? What's it worth? You can't put a price on the beauty of nature. Save the animals, save the earth.
I see the water, I see the land, every living creature hand in hand. We are just a piece of the puzzle called nature. Save the animals, save the earth.
We can try to save the world tomorrow. Hope each problem simply goes away. Or make some changes now that will help the earth to heal and save the animals today. Save the animals, save the earth. How much will it cost? What's it worth?
Iya lah. Patularo.